If you intend to run your Ruby code on one or more servers, or if you run Windows and want to code Ruby inside of a virtual machine that runs Linux to more closely approach the environment that the code might be running in, then this video can help you learn how to install Ruby on Linux. Linux comes in many different flavors. In this video, I'll be working with Ubuntu, which is a popular and widely used distribution. If you use another distribution, then things might be slightly different for you. I recommend that you take a look at the documentation links in the description of this video. Because I'm recording this video on a Mac, I will use Docker to spin up a container with Ubuntu inside it. With the container up and running, I will now first update the packages and install the base requirements to be able to install rbenv and Ruby build. The next step is to install the dependencies on Ubuntu Linux to be able to compile Ruby with Ruby build. Now we'll download and execute the rbenv installer script. This installs rbenv and Ruby build in one go. Now that rbenv is installed, we need to run rbenv init to get the initialization instructions for our shell. I'll add these to my bashrc file using the following echo command. Since I'm in a Docker container and I won't be restarting my shell, I'll use this eval command to initialize rbenv locally now. When checking for Ruby versions now, we can see that there are none installed. Let's install Ruby 3.1.2 using rbenv install. I've just fast-forwarded to the finalization of the Ruby installation. Let's now make 3.1.2 the default version of Ruby. As you can see, it works. That's all for this video. You can find the relevant links in the description box. See you next time.